Hello students, this is part 29 video of computer for class 6 lesson 3. Today I am going to solve exercise. First, about the term. Term is the most important. What is header, what is footer, what is hyperlinks, what is bookmarks in a very short answer question. Now you have to learn this. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. The document header appear at the of the page. The header appear, header क्या होता है? टॉप. आंसर क्या हो जाएगा हमारा? टॉप ऑफ द पेज. फूटर अपीयर एट द फूटर यानी बॉटम में. इंड नोट अपीयर एट इंड ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट्स. हाइपरलिंक्स लेट यू मूव टू अनदर स्पॉट बाय. क्या होगा आंसर इसका? क्लिकिंग. Now match the following. Bottom of the page, footer, link to new location, hyperlinks, page number, place in the header, footer, and bookmarks to navigate quickly. True, false. Date and time can be inserted in header and footer. True. Endnote and footnote are the same. False. You cannot create hyperlink in MS Word. False. Create कर सकते हैं. You can use the hyperlink just by clicking on it. True है. A document can have different header and footers in different sections. True है. Now in one words answer. This carry comments at the end of the section. End note. ENDNOT note. End note. This carry references at the end of the page. Footnote. FWOTNOTE note. Footnote. Third, these are generally used to carry the document's name. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Header. A shortcut to go to another place in the same document or to an entirely different, इसको बोलते हैं hyperlink. HYPERLINK hyperlink. Fifth one is it identifies important text and provide the reader with a quick way to navigate. तो यह हो जाएगा आपका bookmarks. You can see everything here. Hyperlink, bookmarks. Now question answer. What are the steps to insert date and time in header and footer? पेज नंबर 29 पर हम इसको देखते हैं. You can see here short answer 1. Adding date and time. Adding date time in header or footer. First step you have to write, then second head click on date and time. Third, the dialog box appear, select any format for date and time and click on it. OK. Fourth one is the current date and time appear at the point where the cursor was placed, and after that just you pause the video and write the answer. Okay. And fifth one is press escape. You can see here, press escape. So pause the video and write the answer of the short question number 1. Now next question is what are end notes? You can see here, what are end notes? पेज नंबर 31 पे इसका आंसर हम सर्च. दिस इज द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन आंसर, शॉर्ट आंसर 2. What is end note? Now you start writing from here. footnote and endnote are used to explain comments on, provide references for text in a document. By default, MS Word plays यहाँ तक, from here to here, इतना लाइन लिखने के बाद स्टार्ट करना फिर यहाँ से end note at the end of the document here. Again see, the answer will start from footnotes, end with MS Word places, and that come end notes at the end of the document. Stop. This is the answer of the short question number 1. Now in next video is talk to other question answers.